Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting and cutting-edge topic in cybersecurity: how deep learning is revolutionizing the fight against cyber attacks. This research paper, authored by author's name, explores the transformative potential of deep learning techniques in the realm of cybersecurity. So, grab a seat and get ready for an in-depth exploration of how artificial intelligence is being leveraged to keep our digital world safe. Let's start with the big picture. As we increasingly rely on digital systems for everything from communication to business operations, the need for robust cybersecurity measures has never been greater. But with cybercriminals constantly developing new attack strategies, traditional security tools are struggling to keep up. Cyber attacks come in many forms, including denial-of-service attacks, remote-to-local attacks, probing, and user-to-root attacks. But things get even trickier with sophisticated threats like adversarial attacks, poisoning attacks, and evasion attacks. Traditional security measures often rely on predefined signatures, which makes them vulnerable to zero-day attacks, those exploiting previously unknown vulnerabilities. Enter deep learning, a subset of machine learning that's making waves in cybersecurity. Deep learning leverages artificial neural networks that learn from massive datasets to detect and prevent cyber threats. Unlike traditional tools, deep learning models excel at identifying complex patterns and anomalies, offering a powerful alternative to outdated methods. The advantages of deep learning in cybersecurity are numerous. First, there's enhanced threat detection. Deep learning models can spot subtle patterns in network traffic and system behavior, leading to more accurate detection of malicious activities. Second, adaptability. These models continuously learn and adjust to new attack patterns, providing better protection against evolving threats. And lastly, scalability. Deep learning models can handle large volumes of data efficiently, making them perfect for safeguarding extensive networks and datasets. Now, let's break down some key deep learning techniques used in cybersecurity. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are particularly effective for recognizing patterns in images and time series data. They've been successfully employed in identifying malware based on code structure and analyzing network traffic patterns. Imagine a CNN acting as a vigilant guard, scanning through network data to catch even the slightest signs of malware. Next up, autoencoders, or AEs. These unsupervised models learn to reconstruct their input data, making them excellent at detecting anomalies by spotting deviations from expected patterns. We have different types of autoencoders, like stacked autoencoders and variational autoencoders, each with unique strengths for cybersecurity applications. Moving on to recurrent neural networks, or RNNs. RNNs are designed for sequential data, making them great for analyzing network traffic and user behavior patterns. They've been used for tasks like intrusion detection, botnet traffic analysis, and spotting unusual user activities. Lastly, generative adversarial networks, or GANs. GANs consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, that compete against each other. Although the paper doesn't delve deeply into GANs' specific applications in cybersecurity, they're known for generating realistic training data or even creating honeypots to deceive and lure attackers. In the comparative analysis, the paper stresses the importance of evaluating different deep learning models based on attack detection accuracy, resource consumption, and training time. This helps in selecting the right model for specific cybersecurity tasks. Of course, deep learning isn't without its challenges. The paper highlights several open issues, such as data availability and quality. Effective models need massive amounts of labeled data. Explainability and interpretability are also crucial, as understanding how these models make decisions is key to their adoption in security-critical applications. And let's not forget about adversarial attacks, where attackers might manipulate data to fool deep learning models. Research is ongoing to develop robust and resilient models to counteract these threats. In conclusion, deep learning offers a promising avenue for enhancing cybersecurity. It provides advanced tools for detecting and preventing sophisticated cyber attacks, but researchers and developers must tackle the challenges of data availability, model interpretability, and adversarial resilience. That wraps up a deep dive into deep learning and cybersecurity. We hope you found this overview insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge technology and research. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.